guys, go! Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another video here from Sri Lanka. We're in Hatton, here at the train station. No, you can stay there. And it's 6:30 because the train leaves at 6:57. And the train we're gonna take is from here, Hatton, to, where's it going? Oh, here. To Ella. So the train started this early morning at 3 AM from Kandy and is now on the way to Hatton here. So because the train is so popular, we thought we'd take the early one, which we don't like, but yeah, probably we have a seat then in the train. So the ticket box is not even open, or the counter, so we're waiting for this counter to get open and buy the ticket. So yeah. Okay, we have the ticket, yeah, to Ella. Where are you going?
I'm good. Candy.
Kandy? Oh, what? Working or?
No. I'm good. Just a visit to Candy.
Just a visit. Oh, okay. Family.
No. Candy train come this way.
Candy train.
Bother train come. Bother train come.
Yeah.
It will come a little late. Half an hour late.
Oh yeah. Ella train as well. 45 minutes late.
The train will come here. From Bombay.
Yeah. Just has to wait a little bit longer, right? They're setting up the popcorn machine here at the train station. Let's see. Oh, what is that? Butter? Oh, yeah. This is very important. This is for the good.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You like popcorn? Okay guys, we're in the train. The only tickets that were available were third class, but that's the only seats they have on this train. So, but it's pretty comfy. Oh. Okay guys, there we go. Most beautiful train ride in the world, at least what they say. So I'm curious. Climate here in this area is ideal to grow tea. So they grow here the world famous black tea, the Ceylon black tea, in this area. Hello! Hello! Ah, they're repairing the train. Oh, repair.
My people.
Ah, that's nice. Okay, let's explore this train for a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna one, two. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Beautiful. What is here? Oh, this is the toilet. I have to say, it's not bad. But the hole in the ground. Okay. Where are you going? Huh? Amen. Okay. Next stop. Ella. Ella. Ella, yeah. Netherlands. Netherlands. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you Sri Lanka? Yeah. Nice. Very nice country. Nice. Thank you. See you later. Okay. Hello. Come here. You play the music. This is not bad, actually. Netherlands. Netherlands. Netherlands, yeah. Where are you guys going? Ella. Abdullah, okay. Very nice truck this. Oh, very nice. Keep going, keep going. Sorry. Okay. Oh, this is the end of the train. Hello. Oh, it's the end. Oh, thanks guys. Oh, look at him. So dangerous. Okay, let's go back. Apparently that is the captain of the station. Every station has a manager or captain. I don't know if you can read it, but this is the highest located railway station in Sri Lanka. It says 189 meters. Maybe. Oh no, 1,891 meters high. Oh, there we go again. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm still in the train. Still, I say, because it's already about 5.5 hours. The train ride should in total take 4 hours, but we're already 5.5 hours, or almost 6 hours, and we're still not there. I think it's about another hour, so in total it's 7 hours instead of 4. But to be honest, like if you see the okay guys, we made it. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Have fun, eh, Ella? Lovely guys, lovely guys. Oh yeah. So in Sri Lanka you have to give your ticket. They don't check the ticket on the train. You have to give your ticket when you leave the station. Thank you, Stuti.
Dale,